Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to be solving this very problem or set of problems. Now, as you can see, these two guys actually look kind of similar. They're actually looking very, very similar. So I want to try to use two stones to kill one bird. Okay, sorry, I'm going to use one stone to kill two birds. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I'm going to solve this problem because I want to do it so instead of solving this one separate and this one separate. Since they have s to the 4, s to the 4, 1 minus s to the 4, 1 minus s to the 4, the constants, let me rewrite this. I'm going to say this is 5, integral from 0 to 1, s to the 4, 1 minus x to the 4 dx. That's how I want to write that. And then 3 pi 0, 1, x to the 4, 1 minus s to the 4 dx. I'm going to write it like this. And to make life kind of easy. Now, if you have been following what I've been doing, you would actually agree with me that since it's just x, this one here and this one here, the answer to this first part, integral from 0 to 1, s to the 4, 1 minus s to the 4 dx, this would just be the beta of 5, 5. Now, how did I get 5, 5? Remember that the power here is m minus 1. So for you to get this very value here, you always need to add 1. Just like the previous problem we just did. You always have to add 1 to it. The same thing with this n minus 1. So if m minus 1 is 4, because this is x raised to the power of m minus 1, if it's equal to s to the power of 4, if the powers are equal, if the minus 1 crosses 4, it's going to become plus 1. And that is why we have 5. I believe that's self-explanatory. Now, if you go forward, this would be the gamma of 5 times the gamma of 5 divided by the gamma of 5 plus 5. Going by the relationship, this relationship here. Okay, now this will become, what is the gamma of 5? That's 4 factorial. Times here again, what's the gamma of 5? That's 4 factorial. Divided by 5 plus 5 is 10. So the gamma of 10 is 9 factorial. Okay, so we're going to be multiplying this. Let's see what it's going to be. So this is 4 factorial. I'm going to say 4 factorial should stay like that. Then this second one, I want to expand the second one. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then 9 factorial, that's 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial will take care of this 4 factorial. Okay, now I know that 4 times 2 will give me 8. So it's going to cancel the 8 at the bottom. Now 3 here is 1. 3 into this very 6 you see here, 3 into this very 6 is 2. It's 2. Now, what will be left at the top? What will be left at the top is 1. Then for the bottom, that's the denominator. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 times 2 is 126. Then 126 times 5. Hold on. 126 times 5. This would be 0, 3, 10, 13, 1. So that's 6. Yeah, 630. 630. So that's what we're going to be having, 630. Now, this answer is just for this one without the constant. But in our first question, what's our constant? Our constant is what? 5. So to solve for the first question, that has the integral from 0 to 1 of 5x to the 4, 1 minus x to the 4 dx, what I'm going to do is to say this is 5 times this very answer, 1 over 630. So what will this give to me? This will give me 1 over 126. That's what it's going to give to me. Because when you reduce, since we multiply by 5, and you want to divide by 5, that will just give you 126. So the second one that has 3 pi. This is 1, this is 2. The integral from 0 to 1, the constant is 3 pi. X to the 4, 1 minus x to the 4 dx. This will become 3 pi times 1 over 630. Now 3 here is 1. 3 into this will give me 210. So this will just become pi divided by 210. Now you can see that this is actually very easy to compute. These are easy stuff to actually compute. These are simple. Now remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it across to your classmates. I'll see you in the next one.